Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech here with Systems in Action episode 14 featuring my Fire-Lite mass notification control system. So for the main panel I have my Fire-Lite MS-5UD-3. This is a 5-zone conventional fire alarm control panel with 4 NACs and 3 relays, all of which are programmable. Right below that we have my Fire-Lite ECC-50 mass notification control panel. This is responsible for providing audio to the speakers as well as providing power to the amber strobes. For the devices on the system, I have my system sensor SW strobe only mounted on my system sensor SEP-SW expander plate. To the right of that I have a system sensor i3 2WB 2-wire smoke detector. Right below that I have a 5601P 135 degree fixed and rate of rise heat detector. And then I have my SPSW speaker strobe mounted on my SEP-SPSW expander plate. For the pull stations on the system, I have a Fire-Lite BG12SL. This is a single action conventional pull station. Then I have a SIGCOM unmarked yellow pull station, which I am using for the mass notification control system. And then I have my newly acquired Fire-Lite AN&80 annunciator, which is wired into the Fire-Lite MS-5UD. So to start the system test, I will activate the general fire alarm, and then we will demonstrate the mass notification tornado alert system. So here we go.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire reported in the building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire reported in the building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building.
Alarm silence, and I do have audible silence enabled on this system. So we'll go ahead and reset the pull station real fast. And we'll initiate a system reset. System normal, and now we'll go ahead and demonstrate the mass notification system.
Your attention, please. A severe weather warning has been received. Please walk to the nearest safe area and wait for further instructions. Elevator lobbies, stairwells, bathrooms, and auditoriums are designated safe areas in the event of severe weather. Stay away from windows and glass. Do not use the elevators. Your attention, please. A severe weather warning has been received. Please walk to the nearest safe area and wait for further instructions. Elevator lobbies, stairwells, bathrooms, and auditoriums are designated safe areas in the event of severe weather. Stay away from windows and glass. Do not use the elevators. Your attention, please. A severe weather warning has been received.
In order to cancel anything on the voice evacuation panel other than general fire alarm, you have to actually do it from the panel. Just the way I have it set up with a conventional system, it's kind of hard to do everything through the panel. So normally if this was addressable, the message sequences would be activated through a control module. That way they automatically shut off when the system is silenced. So anyways, that's going to do it for this Systems in Action. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.